Let's learn some alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for fish. G for God. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for village. W for watch. X for x-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thanks for watching. Bye.